Hi friends, in this video let us solve the transform related question asked in GATE 2008 EEE paper. The question is given x of z is equal to z by z minus a whole square with mod z is greater than a. The residue of x of z into z power n minus 1 after z is equal to a for n greater than or equal to 0 will be. So what we have to find the residue of x of z power n minus 1. So what is x of z into z power n minus 1? X of z is given here. X of z is z by z minus a whole square multiplied by z power n minus 1. So that will be z power n divided by z minus 1 square. So for this I have to find the residue. So residue of x of z is given by limit z tends to a 1 by m minus 1 factorial d power n minus 1 d z power n minus 1 z power a minus x of z. So m is order of the pole. Here I have to find the residue of x of z into z power n minus 1. Limit z tends to, here again pole is a. Pole is a, order 2, that is order is m here. So z tends to a is a pole. Here also a, 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial d 2 minus 1 d dz z minus a whole square z power n divided by, this is x of z. Instead of x of z I have x of z into z power n minus 1, that is given by z n divided by z minus a whole square. Or this I substitute. So this will be cancelled. So it is limit z tends to a. Differentiation is n into z power n minus 1. So z tends to limits n into a power n minus 1. So n into a power n minus 1. Option D is the right answer. Thank you.